Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. What up, what up, what up, what up? We'll get started in 7 minutes. Like up the stream whilst we wait. Good morning, guys. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. I am back. I'm back. We're going to start in 5 minutes. All right, let's get some questions and tickets in, and I will be with you all very shortly. 5 minutes. Good morning, guys. 4 minutes. Let's get the questions in. Come on. Also, like the stream, not in the chat. Like the stream, not the chat. All right, good morning, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Let me just get this post up. Give me 1 minute and I will be with you all. Right, 1 minute. Get the questions and tickets in. I see we've got some likes in, but let's keep them coming in. I will see you in 1 minute. Just sorting something out. 1 sec. All right. What up, everyone? Hello, hello, hello. We are gonna get started. If you guys do hear some barking, I am dog sitting today, I have this week. So if you hear any barking, that is what you hear. Anyways, what's good? Yes, this SOAR looked fantastic. Very, very bullish. Hassie just mentioned this in the Discord as well. Not sure if anyone got in. What up, Totes? What up, IR? What up, Big? Rena asked for AGEN. AGEN, for me, nothing on this. There's too much like choppiness going on. I don't like this rejection candle here. Maybe you can try above like 575, but at the moment I would just leave it. For now, I would focus on something else. Entries above 575. Keep a stop loss if you do enter. Entries are only above 575. Like up the stream, it's free. Yes, you are correct. KPRX, I'm not even gonna look at it. It was a big pump and dump. Oh, sorry, no, it was the other one, Kappa. This one, you can just wait for VWAP on this. I just wouldn't trade below VWAP. Yes, maybe it's finding support, but for me, I need extra confirmation. So KPRX, entries above VWAP. Discord members, you know how to trade this one. Candlestick strategy. Apply it, apply it, apply it. Buru needs to hold 0.3. I think I just posted it on Twitter. Yeah, it's just in a downtrend at the moment. Maybe if it can close above, candle body can close above, then you can look for an entry. If it doesn't close above, then can't do anything. So close above here, here, wherever it does, then maybe you can look for possible entries. But there's nothing going on, Buru. Maybe it is trying to reverse. I don't see anything yet on it for me personally. Maybe you could say a bullish pennant. Something like this. Maybe that's what you guys see. Yeah, could be a possible bullish pennant if you want to. So possible bullish pennant. If you don't know what that is a bullish continuation pattern. Keep an eye on it if you are interested. Just watch that one. I won't be touching it since it is under $1. TRAW, yeah, everyone was spamming me this one when I was having lunch. TRAW is just kind of ranging at the moment. I wouldn't even draw this as a bullish pennant. What I would do is I would watch 391 for entries. We have a support level around here, 290. So we can use this as an area of support. Like this. There we go. So I don't know, we'll see what happens here. I'm only interested if it breaks above here. So if the candle is moving and it breaks above 391, you can take entries. Resistance level after it breaks 391 is right here at 459. This is very volatile though, so be careful. Wrecker, what up, Abdul? What up, brother? Wrecker, larger time frame is bullish. What I can do is I can identify that there is a key psychological level here at 150. Big rejection so far on this. I have it on my watch list here anyway. So we have 150 rejection, then you can put 175 and then $2. So 175 and then $2. These are your next levels, but you need it to close above 150. Candle body must close above 175, or sorry, 150 for any entries. You don't want to be taking the trade now because it is at a resistance and looks like it's rejecting it. However, if you have the magical indicator, you can take the trade. Must close above 150 for continuation to the upside. All right, So just wait. Needs to close above for continuation to the upside. Like of stream, it's free. Yes, yes, yes. Buru, hey, what up? PCSA. Right, guys, let's like up the stream. Come on. I know we're getting better at it, but we can do even better. Okay, what's happening? Daily bearish, 4 hour bearish, 1 hour bearish. Yeah, there's nothing going on with this. Not too sure what you see. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, sorry, I'm back. I had someone knock on the door. Okay, PCSA, maybe above 0.32. Personally, I'm not interested on this. I would just avoid something like this because not much volume at all. A lot of rejection here, 0.3 you can see here, a lot of rejection. Maybe above 0.32 you can look for entries. Just would avoid it for now. I wouldn't even touch this. Entries only above 0.32. All right. If you guys are looking for any trades, these are the best plays here on the left hand side. Focus on these plays. These are the top gainers. These have high volume. These are the highest probability plays to make money on. Don't try and take something like PCSA when there is nothing going on at the moment. Even if there's news, there is no volume on it. ALZN, for me, absolutely nothing on this. Very, very bearish chart. Dump. I'm not really interested in something like this. Maybe, what is this 5 here? What is this, 550? Maybe about 550 you can look for possible entries. I just wouldn't touch it right now. It's too bearish for my liking. It needs 550 break. So I'm just giving you guys, when I give these chart setups, right, these are the, I'm trying to give you the highest probability setups. If you focus on something like this compared to, let's see, right, look at Rekka, strong to the upside. SOAR, strong to the upside. KPRX has tried to go up, but it's down at the moment. These are large time frames, but you want to be focusing on all these plays that have the volume, that are up, at least like 10-15%. I don't look at the percentage, but at least it has volume, then you can focus on that. What are your expectations on BMGL after the sharp landing yesterday? Will it reach 9 during the week? So BMGL is like at $5, or it's at $4. So I don't expect, and I never really ever, because I'm a realistic trader, expect a trade to run over 100%. All right. Whether it does or doesn't, I'm not focused on that as I'm a day trader. So you're asking if it's going to go to $9, which is over 100%. For me, I don't think it's a realistic target. I don't hold for those kind of targets. I trade on the 5-minute and I base my entries on technical analysis. If I'm looking on technicals at the moment, no, there is no chance of it going to $9. If you're looking for any entries, maybe you can look for an entry above $5.95 for a big fill to at least like probably around this $9 level. If it breaks $5.95, aim for a realistic target. Do not aim for $20 or something stupid, because you're going to get left bag holding. All right. So yeah, at the moment I gave this one at 135 on Friday. It was absolutely amazing. I couldn't unfortunately get in because I was busy sorting some stuff out before I left, but I gave it on live trading in the Discord as well. If you are interested in the Discord, this is the link here. There are now spots available for the month of June, so you can join 1 or 3 month tier. It is completely up to you. BMGL does look pretty good. I'm actually quite interested in this. The reason why is because we have 420 as an area of support. We can see that from these bottom wicks and these touches here indicating an area of support, and that every time it gets to this 420 level, it looks like it is trying to reverse. However, it is below a downtrend and it is below VWAP, so it is difficult to take a trade like this, but we can keep it on watch. This is BMGL. Oh shit, my screen's frozen this whole time. Oh shit, my bad. What an idiot. Sorry guys, give me a second. What an absolute idiot. Just been talking this whole time. There we go. My bad. I fixed it. Done? Should be good now, no? What an idiot. Surely it's fine now. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. What an idiot. My bad. Sorry, I wasn't scrolling down on the chat, so I had no idea. Someone said on the floor. What are your expectations? Good morning. So yeah, this is what I was saying about BMGL. So BMGL, I was saying here is a good entry point above 595. Break above this, then you have room to the upside. The reason why it's 595 is because this is the highest point it went on Friday. Breaks it, or sorry, yesterday. If this does break this high, then it should continue to the upside, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to buy now. It's coming down and it's in a bearish chart pattern. Well, not bearish, but it's just in a downtrend. 595. All right, cool. Okay, sorted it out at least. ECSA, 3.6 huddle, NIVF. Yeah, a lot of people traded this. Hassie gave this, I think, after hours. I think it was NIVF. It must have been because up 170%. Yeah, people in the Discord traded this, which was very nice. We'll wait and see what this does do. It does look like it has possibility to run again today, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. It's just in demand zone. This is where possible reversal will happen, but I'm not interested until market open. So in demand zone, this is where you see a possible reversal. There is a whole seminar on this in the Discord on how to trade the demand zone setup. Why is it so hard for people to show you appreciation? People are lazy. That's why they want everything done for them. They want things for free. That's why, unfortunately, yeah, there's a lot of lazy people out there. Lazy people, they want everything for free. They just kind of want everything handed to them. They think they can just make money. And especially like Discords are very competitive, or I guess this trading space is competitive for, I guess, getting members or just in general teaching people, because 99% of people fail. Because regardless if I give you my strategy, which I have in the Discord, people know how to trade my strategy. And because it doesn't work the same as how mine does, or because it doesn't work on the first time, second time, third time, 20th time, 100th time, they think it's a scam, they think it's bullshit, they think it's not real, all that kind of stuff. When I still show it every day, you know, it just, at the end of the day, people need to put in the effort to try and practice it. Practice makes perfect. That is it. That is why I live trade every day. I share my screen. You can see why I take the trades. You can see where I enter. You can see my stop loss. You can see my target. You can see the reasonings. It's all there every single day. So there is zero excuse, and the data is there proven every single day. I have over 4,000 trades on my trades, probably like 8,000 now, to be honest, all in the Discord recorded. But that is why people are just lazy, because it doesn't work the first time. They get all scared, or they don't get scared. They're just like, no, it doesn't work, no. So they give up. But those people are weak, and we don't have weak people in the Discord, which is good. We have people who continue to try and try, because you know what you put in is what you get out. As long as you put in all the effort, you will definitely get the results. I am a true believer of it. I would get it tattooed on my forehead if I had to. APLD looks good above 1124. Reason is you have a strong bullish trend. Break above the highs to continue to go up. Very nice chart. Made back on KPRX. Nice. Is it going up now? No, nothing yet. Screen froze. Sorry. Yeah, that's fixed now. T-Raw. Nothing really on this. I'm not interested on this. I'm only interested above 391. If this goes above 391, then I'll look for entries. MLGO. Haven't had that one in a while. MLGO is too bearish. This thing keeps coming down. You have a demand zone here. Maybe this could be a possible reversal entry point. Falling wedge, demand zone. Yeah, you have a possible good setup here, to be fair. It is due a reversal, I will tell you that much. This thing is beaten down quite a bit. Yeah, falling wedge, demand zone looks good. If you want to enter, you can always enter now. Make sure to have a stop loss and target wherever you enter. It is up to you what you decide to do. Worth entries, I'm just going to tell you, keep a stop loss. There is no one else on this Discord planet in the FinTwit community who tells you to keep a stop loss. I know that for a fact. And if you do, tag them so I can see their page, because I know for a fact no one does that. They're just like, buy. Here's a target here. All complete BS pumpers. Anyways, crypto investment stocks going crazy. Nice. Crypto's down. Oh, it's like even today. Screen frozen. Yes. RSLS. Right, guys, let's like up the stream. Come on, it's free. RSLS is pushing up, very nice. We'll keep this on my watch list. Do I have a reverse split, or why is this up $8? I haven't seen this play up in a long time. You have a big resistance here. You see this level? 950. What is this? 936. See this level here? A lot of rejection here. Close above, then you have range 2, 10, 1165, and you can use these wicks. I'm not going to go higher than 1410 just because I'm trying to just keep it realistic for those who are watching. Oh, we can put this level as well. It's not too high. 1540. There you go. RSLS key levels. These are your key levels. So above 936 looks good for entries. I definitely wouldn't buy now. It's up too high for me personally. XLO. Let me just make sure the stream's actually working. Okay, it is. XLO, not too sure why you haven't seen this. Down 34% yesterday, so absolutely nothing on this. Sorry. He will eventually. Everyone comment is back. He's back up with PCSA. Sorry, yes. Unfreeze, it's free. You're right about that, totes. T-Raw. T-Raw, there's nothing for me unless 391. If it breaks above 391, you can enter. If you want to take a trade here, feel free, but I would not touch it here. HSAI, what's happening here? 1%, no volume on this. HSAI, bearish. Yeah, nothing on HSAI, not too sure what you see on it. I wouldn't take anything, maybe above 1958, but chart's too bearish for my liking. So HSAI, entries are only above 1958. The reason is, and I say it all the time, I might sound like a broken record, but if it breaks above here, it shows that there's volume, it shows that the buyer's in control, it shows that there's a higher probability to go up, it shows that's a bullish trend. Bullish trend means that there's a high probability to go up. Simple. Gotta read chat, man. Yeah. I have it from the top, so I don't scroll down. But NCNA, I don't see anything on this. I don't like this kind of chart. There's too many wicks. Maybe something simple like this above. I mean, this thing's 4 cents. I just would leave it. Maybe above 55 cents. Not even 55 cents, 5.5 cents. So if you see this, you have 0.055. Maybe a close above this. You can look for entries. This is NCNA. Entries above 0.0550. All right, anything below, don't care. Clear close above here, high probability to go up. Arab. AREB up 17%. Overall trend is too bearish for my liking. Yeah, the chart overall is bearish like this. Maybe we are trying to break this downtrend, and then I can give you your key levels, which can be here at this level here, 205, then we can do something like here, 257, then we can do like here around here, 318. So these are your key levels. I like this over $2. It's trying to break downtrend though. SOAR, how's that looking? Yeah, SOAR looks good. I like this play. This is definitely one to watch today. You rock. Rev B, good entry above $1. Oh, at $1. Is it still at $1 or below now? I don't know. It's just kind of holding this level. I just don't like to buy something here because at open you can have the right bias that it's going to go up, but it might wick down due to volatility and then push up. So I don't know. Maybe you could try above 110. 110. ESLA. Hassi was talking about that one. I thought he was talking about Tesla. ESLA, nothing on that. Nothing. Leave it. Right, RSLS, what's happening here? You can try above 936 on this. Tiger Line, Discord, Def has the best education. Yes, get involved, guys. This is the link right here. This is the only link to the Discord. Click on it. You have a 1 or 3 month tier. Actually, this Friday I'll probably do a Discord show you guys what's in the Discord if you are interested, because I get a lot of people DMing me on the requests on my DMs asking me to show them what's in the Discord and what the difference is on Twitter. I will show you, because there is a huge difference between Twitter and Discord. So I will be going over that. Probably Friday I'll do it. Everyone is keen to see it. I would wait for IMNN. Just wait for... You want to wait for 285. Right, let me repost this link so we can get more people in here on the live trading. BBAI. Right, I'll get to those ones now. SMCI, please. Your entry is only above what? $46. That is it. I don't even have to look at the chart. Unless it's above that, then fine, you can look for entries. If it's below, then leave it. I've said it about 500 times. $46 is all you're looking for. $46. Above $46. Anything below, don't care. Look, SMCI. Yes, look, SMCI. I even know this chart so well because I get asked about it every single day. The same thing over and over again. If it gets above $46, you can look for the entry. If you want to take it now, you can go ahead. For me, I wouldn't take the entry. The reason is, it is still bearish. IXHL, what's happening here? IXHL, what's the SPY doing? Is SPY up today? Where is the SPY? Where is the SPY? Hold up. SPY. Where is the SPY? Ah, here. Okay. Sorry, someone asked me about SMCI and VTS. I'll look at it now. Done SMCI, BBAI. BBAI is still good. I like this play. Looks good. It's still in a bullish trend. There you go. Still in a bullish trend. BBAI is still in a bullish trend. NVTS. NVTS, you're nothing really going on here. Let's see. I told someone on live. Discord member was watching this play. I mean, you can maybe try it above here if you want to. 609. You have clean range to the upside then. What's this? MVTS. Wait for 609 break. If you're in now, you're in now. Just I'd have a stop loss like 535. IXHL, what's happening here? IXHL. Absolutely nothing going on with this play. I don't know. This is a play that no one should be watching. No one should be watching this play. If you are, I don't know why you're watching this. There is no reason to enter this trade. So IXHL, no reason to be watching this play. Why are you going to watch this play? It's slow. It's slow. AMC. What are my thoughts on AMC? AMC. AMC is here. AMC has a resistance at $3.62. If this gets above $3.62, your entry point is confirmed and you can take the trade. Entries above 362. Why above 362? Because if we break above here, we have the next resistance only at $4. See that? Hollow. Hollow, everybody needs to get rid of the stock. Nothing on hollow. Now you have to move to here. Entries above 620 only. Hollow. Entries above 620. SMCI, everybody please listen up. I'm assuming you just joined. SMCI, everybody save this chart and remove your dog or cat or wife or husband as your screensaver and save this. You are not entering this unless it gets above $46. I've said this every single day for the last maybe 6 years. I will say it again. There are no entries unless this closes above $46. I will explain the reasoning why I think that it should not be entered anywhere below. And I will say it, and it's the same thing over and over again. The reason is we are in a downtrend. We do not want to trade something that's in a downtrend. I don't know if this is going to reverse. For me as a trader, I need extra confirmation. The confirmation is if we break and close above $46, we have free range to the upside. Here we have resistance, all these lines. I will show you every single line. Here's a resistance line. This is just on the 4 hour. Here's a resistance line. Here is a resistance line. Here is a resistance line. Right? You have this, and this in the way. But I can tell you, if this closes above here, you have clean range wherever the next resistance level is. I don't know where it is. Probably all the way up. Right? You want to try and enter here to gamble that it's going to go up, or you want to wait for confirmation that there's higher probability. You have probably a 40% chance of it going up. You have probably an 80% chance of it going up once it gets there. Bull is nothing above 1350. Entries above 1350. Above 1350. 1350. Thanks for everything. No problem, my friend. No problem. No problem. Thank you on MVTS. Let's see MVTS. Is MVTS going now? MVTS 60. I'll just add this. I have it here. All right. Luna. Is Luna considered a downtrend? Luna is considered a downtrend, yes. I would look for entries above $13. Look how small these body candles are. Low volume, look at these. Large candles shows high volume. High volume, low volume here. High volume, look, high volume, low volume. Maybe reversal incoming here of $11. You could try some if you want. Stop loss underneath. All right, gonna do these last couple, and then I've got to head into Discord. I need to catch up on some things. NIVF, yeah, it's trying to reverse off here. It is below VWAP. Maybe if it closes above VWAP, then you can apply the candlestick strategy. Sorry. RSLS, what's happening here? Needs, yeah, above this now would be good. 952. Sorry, 955. Keep a stop loss. 1165 and 1410 are your levels for RSLS. 1165 and 1410. Yeah, some people, I know, Lando, trust me, I know, but I realize that some people join in late, so they miss it or something. Here's your levels for RSLS. Here. RSLS does look good though, probably the top watch, definitely worth entries. Another one I would look, NIVF looks good for entries. This troll looks good. KPRX, not interested. Rev B, I like this play, but we'll see what happens. IN, nothing going on this. BMGL, nothing yet on this. All right, so I'm gonna head into Discord now, guys. If you want to join, live trading will start in 20 minutes, so I'll see you then. Hope you guys have a great day, and